WordPress has emerged as a powerhouse for online businesses, offering a versatile platform that caters to various needs. Whether you're a blogger, an e-commerce entrepreneur, or a content creator. However, navigating the WordPress ecosystem requires an understanding of key differentiators, such as WordPress.com versus self-hosted WordPress.org sites. While WordPress.com offers a hassle-free hosted solution, WordPress.org provides greater control and customization options. Getting started involves crucial steps like selecting a theme and integrating essential plugins. Building a website on WordPress involves strategic decisions like crafting sales pages, optimizing lead generation, and deciding if you want to write your own content or use AI to generate it. For bloggers, WordPress becomes a content hub, requiring content management and a consistent publishing schedule. Additionally, maximizing engagement involves offering push notifications. In this multifaceted WordPress landscape, mastering these elements ensures a robust online presence, making it an indispensable tool for businesses aiming to thrive in the digital realm. WordPress.com and WordPress.org cater to different needs, offering distinct solutions for individuals and businesses seeking an online presence. WordPress.com is a hosted platform that provides a user-friendly environment for those who want a quick and hassle-free website. It handles the technical aspects, such as hosting and security, allowing users to focus on content creation. This is ideal for bloggers, small businesses, or individuals with limited technical expertise. On the other hand, WordPress.org offers a self-hosted solution, giving users more control and flexibility over their websites. With a self-hosted WordPress site, users can choose their hosting provider, install custom themes and plugins, and completely own their data. This option is preferred by businesses looking for scalability, advanced customization, and the ability to integrate e-commerce solutions or other complex features. The choice between WordPress.com and WordPress.org for an online business depends on various factors. WordPress.com is suitable for those wanting a simple, low-maintenance site, especially if they don't want to deal with technical intricacies. However, for businesses aiming for a fully customized online presence with the potential for growth and expansion, a self-hosted WordPress.org site is the preferred choice. While it demands more technical know-how, the trade-off is greater control, flexibility, and the ability to create a tailored online customer experience. Ultimately, the decision hinges on the specific needs and goals of the online business. Planning a website is a crucial step that lays the foundation for a successful online presence. Here's a condensed guide in 5 steps to ensure a well-thought-out approach. Define objectives and audience. Clearly articulate the purpose of your website and identify your target audience. Understanding your goals and who you want to reach will guide the design, content, and functionality decisions throughout the process. Create a sitemap. Develop a sitemap outlining the structure and hierarchy of your website. Identify key pages such as the home page, about us, services, and contact. A well-organized sitemap ensures logical navigation and helps users find information easily. Design and branding choices. Determine the visual elements that will represent your brand. Choose a color scheme, typography, and imagery that aligns with your brand identity. The consistent and appealing design creates a memorable and professional user experience. Content strategy. Plan your content strategically. Define the type of content you'll present on each page and how it aligns with your goals. Consider the tone, style, and multimedia elements that will enhance engagement and convey your message effectively. Consider professional assistance. If building the website feels daunting, or if you lack the time or skills, hiring a professional web designer is a smart choice. Research and select a designer or agency aligned with your goals and budget. Professional help ensures a polished, effective online presence. It's a wise investment in your website's long-term success. Whether DIY or professional, thorough planning ensures your website effectively communicates your message to your target audience. By following these 5 steps, you'll establish a solid roadmap for your website project. This pre-planning phase is crucial for streamlining the development process, ensuring that your website meets your objectives and resonates effectively with your target audience. Getting started with WordPress is an exciting journey into the world of website creation and content management. WordPress, a versatile and user-friendly platform, empowers individuals and businesses to build and customize their online presence without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Whether you're a blogger, entrepreneur, or small business owner, WordPress offers a flexible and scalable solution. To embark on your WordPress journey, The first step is to choose a hosting provider and a domain name. Many hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installations, simplifying the setup process. Once your hosting is in place, you can log into your WordPress dashboard, where the magic begins. The dashboard serves as your command center, allowing you to create, edit, and manage content effortlessly. The intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate, even for beginners. From the dashboard, you can choose themes to define the look and feel of your site, and plugins to add functionality. Creating content in WordPress is as simple as writing a document. The built-in editor enables you to craft posts and pages with ease, incorporating multimedia elements like images and videos. You can organize your content using categories and tags, making it accessible and searchable for your audience. WordPress also supports a vibrant community, offering forums, tutorials, and resources to help you navigate any challenges. As you explore the platform, you'll discover the vast array of themes and plugins available to enhance your site's appearance and functionality. In conclusion, getting started with WordPress is a user-friendly and empowering experience. With its robust features and supportive community, WordPress is the perfect choice for anyone looking to establish a dynamic online presence. Selecting the right theme is a crucial step when setting up a WordPress website, as it significantly influences the site's appearance, functionality, and user experience. WordPress offers a vast array of themes, both free and premium, catering to diverse needs and preferences. When choosing a theme on WordPress, consider the nature of your website. Whether it's a blog, portfolio, business site, or e-commerce platform, there are themes tailored to each category. Themes dictate the layout, color schemes, typography, and overall design. So finding one that aligns with your brand or content is essential. Responsiveness is another key factor. Ensure the theme is mobile-friendly to guarantee a seamless experience across various devices. A responsive theme adjusts its layout based on the user's screen size, enhancing accessibility and user satisfaction. Customizability is a critical consideration. Select a theme that allows you to tweak and personalize elements without requiring extensive coding knowledge. Many themes offer a variety of customization options through the WordPress customizer, making it easy to modify colors, fonts, and layout settings. Check for compatibility with plugins. If you plan to use specific plugins to add functionalities to your site, ensure that the theme is compatible. This ensures a smooth integration of additional features without compromising the theme's performance. Regular updates and good support are indicators of a reliable theme. Themes that receive regular updates are more likely to stay compatible with the latest WordPress version and maintain security standards. Additionally, a theme with solid support can be valuable if you encounter any issues or need assistance in customizing your site. If you visit WordPress org themes, you can find a theme that meets your needs. Ultimately, taking the time to research and test different themes will help you find the one that best suits your website's goals and aesthetics. While WordPress doesn't include numerous plugins by default, these essential ones will extend its core features, enhancing website performance and customization. WordFence Security. Security is paramount for any WordPress site, and WordFence is a go-to plugin for many. It provides robust firewall protection, malware scanning, and real-time threat defense. With features like login attempt monitoring and security incident recovery, WordFence ensures a secure environment for your website. Classic Editor. As WordPress transitioned to the block-based Gutenberg editor in version 5, the Classic Editor plugins became essential for users who preferred the traditional editing experience. It allows users to continue using the familiar interface, maintaining their preferred workflow. Yoast SEO. One of the most popular SEO plugins for WordPress, Yoast SEO enhances your site's search engine optimization. It assists in optimizing content, meta tags, and overall site structure, providing valuable insights and recommendations to improve your website's visibility on search engines. Classic Widget. With the introduction of the block editor, WordPress widgets also transformed. The Classic Widget plugin allows users to retain the Classic Widget interface, ensuring a seamless transition for those who prefer the traditional widget management system. In addition to these core plugins, you may need others for different needs. By visiting WordPress org plugins, you can search through a large catalog of plugins. These core plugins cater to fundamental aspects of website management, offering solutions for security, content creation, and user interface preferences. While not bundled with WordPress, these widely adopted and compatible plugins are essential for users seeking stability, security, and customization in their WordPress experience. Blogging with WordPress offers a dynamic platform for content creation, and a well-organized strategy can amplify its impact. Here's a comprehensive approach. Content strategy. Define your blog's niche and target audience. Develop a content strategy outlining key topics, writing style, and multimedia elements. Research relevant keywords for SEO optimization. WordPress plugins like Yoast SEO can aid in optimizing content for search engines. Publishing schedule. Consistency is key in blogging. Establish a publishing schedule that aligns with your goals and audience expectations. Whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, a regular schedule keeps readers engaged and helps build a loyal audience. AI content creation. Explore AI tools for content creation to enhance efficiency and creativity. AI-powered writing assistants like OpenAI's GPT-3 can aid in generating content ideas, refining writing, and automating certain aspects of the creative process. Stick to a schedule. Adhere to your publishing schedule religiously. Consistency builds trust with your audience and boosts your site's credibility. Use the scheduling feature in WordPress to plan and automate posts, ensuring a steady flow of fresh content. Email notifications. Leverage email marketing to notify subscribers about new blog posts. WordPress plugins like WForms seamlessly integrate with your website, allowing you to build an email list and send automated notifications. Push notifications with one signal. Enhance user engagement by offering push notifications for your blog posts. One Signal is a free WordPress plugin that efficiently manages push notifications. It allows you to notify users directly on their devices, ensuring timely updates and increased visibility. Blogging with WordPress is not just about creating content. It's about strategically reaching and engaging your audience. A well-planned content strategy, coupled with an organized publishing schedule and the integration of AI tools and notification systems, can elevate your blog, fostering sustained growth and reader interaction. WordPress sales page plugins are essential tools for businesses seeking to create captivating and conversion-driven pages to promote their products or services effectively. Among the most popular options in this category are Thrive Architect and Elementor, both offering user-friendly interfaces and powerful features tailored for building compelling sales pages directly within WordPress. Thrive Architect, a key component of the Thrive suite, is renowned for its focus on conversion optimization. It boasts a plethora of customizable templates and elements designed specifically for sales pages, including pricing tables, testimonials, countdown timers, and call-to-action buttons. With Thrive Architect's intuitive drag-and-drop editor, users can craft professional-looking sales pages effortlessly, regardless of their coding proficiency. Moreover, advanced functionalities like A/B testing and analytics tracking empower users to fine-tune their sales pages for optimal performance. Similarly, Elementor stands out for its versatility and ease of use. This popular page builder plugin offers a vast array of widgets and elements tailored for sales pages, such as product grids, sliders, and animated headlines. Its intuitive interface allows users to design visually stunning sales pages with minimal effort. Elementor also seamlessly integrates with leading e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce, facilitating seamless product showcasing and sales directly from your sales pages. Both Thrive Architect and Elementor prioritize responsive design, ensuring that your sales pages look impeccable across all devices. Furthermore, they offer compatibility with a wide range of third-party tools and plugins, enabling users to enhance their sales pages with additional functionalities. Whether you choose Thrive Architect or Elementor, you'll have the tools to create compelling sales pages that boost conversions and enhance your online sales efforts. WordPress opt-in list builder plugins are indispensable tools for digital marketers looking to grow their email subscriber base and cultivate meaningful relationships with their audience. These plugins, such as WP Forms, offer a wide range of features and functionalities designed to streamline the process of capturing visitor information and converting leads into loyal subscribers. One of the key benefits of WordPress opt-in list builder plugins is their user-friendly interface. This allows even those without technical expertise to create professional-looking opt-in forms quickly and easily. These forms act as entry points for website visitors to voluntarily share their contact details, enabling businesses to build targeted email lists for marketing campaigns. WordPress opt-in list builder plugins often come equipped with customizable templates, making it simple to tailor opt-in forms to match the branding and design aesthetic of any website. This ensures a seamless and cohesive user experience, enhancing engagement and increasing the likelihood of conversions. These plugins typically integrate seamlessly with popular email marketing services, enabling marketers to automate the management of subscriber data and streamline communication with their audience. This integration facilitates personalized and targeted email campaigns, driving higher engagement and conversion rates. Another advantage of WordPress opt-in list builder plugins is their ability to provide valuable insights and analytics on campaign performance. Marketers can track metrics such as conversion rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth, allowing for data-driven decision-making and optimization of their email marketing efforts. In conclusion, WordPress opt-in list builder plugins are essential tools for marketers seeking to harness the power of email marketing to grow their businesses. These plugins offer user-friendly interfaces, customizable templates, seamless integrations, and analytics, empowering marketers to cultivate a loyal subscriber base, boost engagement, loyalty, and revenue. Content automation with AI has become a transformative force in the digital landscape, revolutionizing how businesses generate and deliver diverse forms of content on their websites. One striking aspect of this revolution is the capability of AI to create images, adding a visual dimension to online content. AI-powered image generation algorithms utilize deep learning to craft visually appealing graphics, infographics, and even personalized visuals that resonate with the target audience. This not only enhances the overall aesthetic of a website, but also ensures that visual content aligns seamlessly with the brand message and user preferences. In addition to image generation, AI plays a pivotal role in automating the creation of written content. Natural language processing, NLP algorithms, empower machines to comprehend language nuances, enabling the automatic generation of high-quality articles, blog posts, or product descriptions. This not only accelerates the content production process, but also maintains a consistent tone and quality, closely resembling human-written text. By automating these content creation processes, businesses can scale their output, ensuring a steady flow of engaging and relevant content for their audience. AI-driven content automation not only saves time and resources, but also allows content creators to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their work. AI-driven content automation is revolutionizing how websites deliver dynamic, efficient, and tailored information through both image generation and written content creation.